Hello, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on for quite a while. Been busy doing stuff in and out of the house and getting on with other hobbies and just keeping myself productive all round. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by, and also hi to all my new subscribers, and I can't forget my existing ones as well. I've just popped on quickly to show you a project that I've been working on, and that's what I've been doing for the past few weeks, working on little projects for events for family and friends. So these are for a family friend. Now this is the Instagram photo frame, and this one is the Polaroid one, as you can see the big down there. So anyway, I just cut out the frame and embellished the inner frame, and then it's for obviously a 50th birthday. So I decorated it that way. She likes shoes, and there's a crown there. It says life is good, and the Eiffel Tower, a lovely little hat, and the champagne flutes, and the big hot pink lip. 50 and fab. Hope she likes it. I would have liked to show you the process of it, but unfortunately I was asked to do these at short notice, so I couldn't go through the process. You know, I like to show you exactly how I do things from start to finish, but unfortunately I couldn't do that because, as I said, it was short notice that I was given for these. So that's that one, and I'll get the other one as well. And this one's still drying a little bit, still drying, and this one is 25th birthday. I know. So it's mother and daughter, to be quite honest. That's having a mum's having 50th, daughter's having 25th birthday, and yeah, they're still drying, these ones. But I just thought I'd quickly do a video and show you. And that says Sweet 25. It's got the ice creams here, and the handbags, and the gold champagne flutes. There's an umbrella there, and the two powder pink lips there as well. And she's got a big birthday cake. I used a few of these things out of my stash because a previous video, I have a video on how I made these little handbags, and I'll put the link below in the description for you, and also the umbrella as well, and I do believe the cake. So I had some of these in my stash, so I just went through my embellishments and grabbed those, and also I just die cut the rest, and that was that. So as I said, this one is still drying, so I'm just going to clean it up once I've finished. Once I finish this video, I'm just going to clean it up. So I hope you like that. So mother and daughter. Yeah. Yeah, so that's that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I do upload my videos. I've got a giveaway to do for 200 plus subscribers, so I'm working on that at the moment, and I will be getting that done very shortly. so I've got that to do as well. But anyway, it's Friday today, the 11th, so have yourself a lovely, lovely weekend, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.